Hello and welcome back. Communication is the basic attraction of mankind as it gives the knowledge of what is going on around us. In our daily life, we communicate with many people and use the entertainment media like television, radio, internet and newspaper to get ourselves involved. These entertainment media act as a source of communication. Electronic communication comprises TV, radio, internet, etc. And when we want to transmit a signal from one location to another, we have to strengthen the signal. After undergoing strengthening process, the signal travels to a long distance. So this process of strengthening the signal in order to transmit the information to long distance is called as modulation. And this course and the next ones will give you a good overview of what modulation is and how it works. Communication is nothing but the process of exchanging or passing information from one person to another. The basic electronic communication system consists of these components: a transmitter, receiver, and a communication channel. A transmitter is a group of electronic circuits designed to convert the information into a signal for transmission over a given communication medium. A receiver is a group of electronic circuits designed to convert the signal back to the original information. And the communication channel is the medium which is designed to transmit the electronic signal from one place to another.